Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Smile Philippines. It's Tuesday evening.
27
Yes, 27
February.
And it's already evening. We're going to Balacat Festival here in Mabalacat, Pampanga. And they will gonna show all the girls who competed in Mabalacat, all Mabalacat here.
Miss Mabalacat.
Yes, Miss Mabalacat.
Why name Balacat village? If name of a city, our city Mabalacat. Why name Balacat?
I don't know.
Okay.
Hi everyone, we're here already in Balacat village and we're gonna show to you inside and what's the show right now.
Okay, let's go. Hi everyone, we together with Georgi. Georgi also go with us. Balacat village. It's name of city Mabalacat. It's village Balacat. Hi. Time now 9 p.m. Start on 7 p.m. but we going to late.
Of Barangay Mabalacat.
Now we welcome to the stage candidate number 15.
Kalumpang inside, what is this? Kalumpang is inside
Hi?
but going to go bad like this.
This one?
Utilizing both dance movements and traditional Kapampangan music as essential components of this cultural expression. Everyone, let's welcome Erika Punara.
This is Kamachilis, it's our barangay. So every barangay have a place.
Yes.
Okay. Hi. This is our barangay Kamachilis. Georgi, this is where we live in Kamachilis. We can walk little bit, take a look, okay? Another barangay also. Dap is going to Milwaukee, okay. This is Mabalacat, Dow.
Hi sir, please come in. Just want to introduce to you our barangay in Mabalacat City. Those are the history. Just an FYI, this is one of the fifth McDonald's in the Philippines. And
First McDonald's in the Philippines.
the fifth.
Okay.
And then, if I'm not mistaken, this is the third largest McDonald's way back before in Asia. Third largest.
Okay. And Jollibee, Jumbo Genera.
Yep.
It's near, I know, near terminal. Terminal.
That's
This is terminal.
Yep. And before, one of the famous in the O is the train station.
Dow train station. Before,
Yep,
it's
before,
all.
Yep, we do have the train station before. That's in the O.
I know where train station.
Yep.
I think more. It's
the
Camp
Camp
Dow.
If you are familiar with that.
What is this?
That's one of the sword from the oldest family in Mabalacat in the O.
Okay.
Yep. That was, I believe it was 1920.
Very old.
Yep.
Okay, thank you for information.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure.
Thank you. Another barangay, it's Mabalacat City College, yes?
Our next performance honors the Aita heritage and the celebration of the festival that is customary to the Aita culture. She is a woman
Lacandula, barangay Lacandula.
of life.
Yes, good.
Barangay Marcos Village with its candidate, Ira Benet Canlas.
Не Mabalacat. Ay?
Saint, you know the saint sculpture of saint can buy there. So many.
Okay.
This one is from my relatives. They live before in the in mountain before inside
Aha.
Clark. So it's Mabalacat village. They have two.
We've been before. We've been in this barangay. Ay? Ay?
There are two types of village and one is this Clark.
Aha.
Marcos village and Marcos village.
Marcos village we've been before.
Yes, and also
In front of another village. In
No,
top.
already. Tatap is kulang
Kalumpang?
No.
Oh, I don't know. Okay. Okay, we a little bit faster because so many barangays in Balacat city. Hi?
Coffee.
You want coffee? No, first I want. You can check. Mango have also. Don't go, yes? It's like food court here. Interesting house, small. Aha, yes, I want to see. It's sexy.
Pampanga, a haven for culinary,
Barangay
music
para...
culture,
What name barangay is?
Paralayunan.
How to say?
Paralayunan.
Paralayunan.
and man-made scenery. McKinney to an adventure which will unveil the past
Huh?
and colorful traditions of our province.
This is Mavoke, barangay Mavoke.
Candidate number 17, Christine Mendoza Dineros.
Oh, can I see?
This is a swimming pool.
Swimming pool?
Yes.
In Mavoke?
Mawake. Look at our villa.
Oh, house.
Yes, villa.
Aha, it's villa.
Yes.
Very cold inside.
Yes.
Nice. It's only temporary. Like swimming pool and villa together. Good. Georgi already took picture. Shaira, have coins.
I don't know. Just only 100. They
Ay?
can, 100 pesos they can share.
100, but I maybe don't have. Wait. I will check. Have or don't have.
100 there, I think.
Have 100 pesos.
Thank you, sir.
with my YouTube channel.
Thank you, thank you.
We can go to check or not? Ah, okay. Oh, it's church. Mabalacat station. Railway. I want to see it.
Our next performance is inspired with the heart of one of the most progressive barangays that shows love and pride in beautiful music authorized by artists.
KFC,
Ага, KFC.
Chowking,
Pure Gold, I know.
Welcome Shopping Center,
Ага.
Fruits and Petals Flower Shop, Dalisay, Grocery, Super 99 Shopping Center,
I've been in this shop.
Mercury Drug Store,
Ага.
Balacat City Public Market,
And the post office also inside. I know.
Manginasal,
Also popular, I've been also good.
Jose.
It's already new.
Magandang lantam mo. Magandang lantam mo.
We're from Marshall.
Russia.
Russia, you're here.
10 years already in Mabalacat live.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. My YouTube channel is My Life Philippines. You can check.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Our next lady is from Balacat, Poblacion, home of Luberas ni Pasco, depicting Mabalaqueños' strong faith and devotion to Our Lady of Divine Grace. Mamyalong, mamasyal, magal, at makitera ng Apong Gracia. Everyone, let's welcome Casey Patio Garcia.
Detailing also vegetables here.
Ага.
And this plants.
Табун, а where is табун?
It's already exit of Severa.
It's near Severa.
There's Severa already.
Mhm. Where models? Where Miss Mabalacat? When? We not start now.
You're dancing already, talent.
Dancing?
Yes, talent already.
Finish?
No, it's not.
Not start yet.
Not start yet.
So many people now here. Georgi? Coffee? Okay. I don't know. Kamikaze, yes. Okay, we can check.
Our next candidate's performance is a representation of all the rich memories of our past, the joy and happiness of being a child, and the great history of our
No, I want kamikaze. Kamikaze, I want to see.
The man from San Francisco, Natalia Margaret A. Lindsay.
Where? We can start from here to right side. Is name of barangay?
Yes.
How to say?
Bundagul.
Bundagul. Hi. So every barangay have
Bicol also here. Bicol.
Bicol. This is Bicol. Aha.
Yes, they have commissions now. Lunch latte.
If you want, you can.
Lunch latte.
Spanish latte.
It's cold. Cold? No, hot. Shaira, hot available.
Don't have.
Don't have.
Just only ice.
There's a hot there, but 3 in 1.
Just only 3 in 1. Just only like this basic.
I already have Miss Mabalacat.
Now we welcome candidate number 2021 for the performance in the celebration on the
Another coffee also.
coronation of the weekend cookie ceremony at the 8th of September. So we say that this devotion is all that to the future. Everyone, we welcome to the stage Angeline Soliman Peter.
It's not so strong, but it's so good for me.
Good coffee?
Yes, it's so good.
Can I try? Coffee same like 3 in 1, you know, and put milk.
But it's so good, right?
What you want, Shaira, here? Because a long time we cannot wait. Ah, what you think? Or you want? Huh? Eat? But you have meat in home. We cook.
Meat, it's meat, okay? It's for eating.
Ah, meat is not food for you.
Yes.
You need what? Rice.
Yes.
You who watch our video never seen you before and say, oh, Shaira so skinny. Maybe you need more. Feed her. I will reply later again.
No, I always eat always, and then it's every time like this only.
Okay. Shaira, so far we cannot see. Okay, maybe go to cafe shop. Okay? Cafe shop. Handmade. So we're going to cafe shop now. Again, we're going to cafe. Cafe Benny. Cafe Benny. Not cafe bean. Not coffee bean. Cafe Benny. Okay, let's go. It's not so much coffee for you because you already drink one coffee.
For you, hot coffee.
For me, hot coffee. Yeah, but for you, I don't know. You want again coffee?
Our is this only
Cake you want?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
because I already.
Mm-hmm. I have also second floor.
We're here in Cafe Benny and we ordered some white chocolate, hot, and cappuccino.
Georgi again, cappuccino large. How much? 180?
160.
160. And cheesecake, Shaira, yeah?
Yes, it's biscuit.
Huh?
Biscuit.
What no
Biscuit cheesecake.
cheesecake, okay.
Yes.
Mhm.
It's worth of 195.
195 peso.
But it's so good for me.
Cheesecake.
Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.